The Duo Crisp with Ultimate Lid has an integrated air fryer unlike any other Instant Pot before it. You may air fry, broil, bake, and roast thanks to this convection cooking element, which is a cooking method that most Instant Pots don't support. The majority of the features of your standard Instant Pot multi-cooker are also available, including pressure cook, slow cook, steam, and sauté. Although the Instant brand, well known for the Instant Pot, has been producing air fryers for a while, the well-liked multi-cooker only got an air frying capability. The most recent Instant Pot model, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp with Ultimate Lid, has a thin pressure cooker insert and built-in convection and air fryer lid so you can use it like a conventional multi-cooker. 13-in-1 functionality: air fryer, pressure cooker, sauté, slow cook, steam, warm, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, yogurt, sous vide, and bread proofing. 13-in-1 functionality: air fryer, pressure cooker, sauté, slow cook, steam, warm, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, yogurt, sous vide, and bread proofing. Easy to read instructions: the only multi-cooker with step-by-step cooking instructions on a large LCD display, making cooking simple. Stainless steel air fryer cover: we thought everything. Protective inner stainless steel cover keeps the air frying heating unit clean during pressure cooking. Whisper Quiet Steam Release, featuring an advanced steam release technology for quietest steam release and a steam release button on large LCD panel, instructing the user that it is okay to open lid. EVENCRISP Technology, the included air fryer lid delivers all the crunch and tenderness of deep frying with 95% less oil. Dishwasher Safe accessories: cleanup is a breeze. Cooking pot, steaming/air frying rack and inner pressure cooking cover are all dishwasher safe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.